Welcome to Unit 4, Short Graduated Bob. This haircut is worked out with the side parting. Start this in the middle of the eyebrow. Then pull the parting diagonally to the highest point of the head. As you can see, we are working without a contour section for the first time in this program. Here you can see the sectioning scheme in the nape. Star-shaped sections starting from the highest point of the A sequence. Start drawing a vertical division in the center of the neck along the A axis. Pick up this hair, comb it at a 45-degree angle, positioning your fingers directly above the section and cut it parallel to your fingers. Now, starting from the highest point of the A sequence, part each hair diagonally forward. Always comb the hair perpendicular to the section, position your fingers at a 45-degree combing angle and work the entire A sequence with a mobile cutting line. Proceed in the same manner on the opposite side. Note that on the second side the fingertips point down, while on the previous one you pointed up. Now part the remaining hair diagonally towards the front of each. Start directly above the A sequence and work one side completely through first before starting the second. Now we switch from a mobile to a stationary technique. Part diagonally to the front, comb at right angles to the parting, use a 45-degree stationary combing angle and cut parallel to the parting each time. A tip: always work the small side of the head first, the side where your side parting is. Fix the hair with the comb and cut a scalloped line using the scissors under comb technique, starting from the center of the nape towards the sides. Then, take the fuller sections on the sides between your fingers again and pull through your arched line towards the front hairline. Here you can see the finished result.